Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. I have the new Spellbinders card kit. This is November 2021 and the theme is Joyful Christmas. And this is a beautiful Christmas kit. So here's a quick peek of everything that's included. You always get your information card that lists the contents of the kit, and on the opposite side there's a tutorial showing how to assemble one of the cards. Due to some product delays, this kit is now available individually and not part of the monthly subscription. I do have a link provided in the description box below. So let me show you everything that's included. We'll start with the cardstock. This is all 8.5 by 11 inches in size. There's 9 different pieces. There's a light pink, a dark green, a bright pink, there's red, a light blue. There's a sheet of black and white. The specialty cardstock for the month is Gold Mirror, so pretty. And then one more sheet, we have a primary green. Here's the paper pad that's included. This is 6 by 6 inches in size. They're single-sided papers and there's a total of 40 sheets. You'll get 2 of each design. A few of the patterns do have a gold foil finish, and that's always really pretty. I love the soft, non-traditional Christmas colors in this collection. There's some fun nutcrackers, there's plaid, there's a little bit of that gold foil finish on there. There's mistletoe, lots of stripes and polka dots. There's some little snowfall polka dots. There's another with that foil finish. Lots of fun patterns. I'm really excited to start using this collection. There's some doves. This sheet has lots of tree branches with tiny pine cones. There's some pink and white stripes, and then finally some gingerbread houses. And then all of the patterns repeat. Next up we have the stamp set. This is really fun. It has images to create a little snow globe, and there's also sentiments that you can mix and match together. I love the large shine and twinkle. The next item is a sheet of cardstock embellishments. So these are really fun. They do have some foam on the back side, so it'll add a little bit of dimension. And they're thick, but they're not as thick as chipboard. It is really more of a heavy cardstock. The next item is a sheet of epoxy stickers. There are 3 different snow globes. There's a mouse in one, a ballerina, and an owl. And the rest are circle epoxy stickers that have different images. So snowflakes, trees, ice skates, candles, presents, really good variety. The next item is a sheet of puffy stickers, and these all have fun sentiments on them. And they're fairly thin. They don't add a lot of extra dimension. As with all Spellbinders kits, you'll receive a roll of the adhesive tape and also some foam squares. The sequins this month are red. There's the 2 different styles. One's glossy and one has a matte finish. And then there's also the very thick pack of die cut shapes. And I'll lay those all out at the end of this video so you can see everything that's included. The kit includes 10 card bases and 10 envelopes, and these are all American Standard A2 size. The card bases do have a texture, a linen texture on them. I really like to use the card bases for backgrounds on my cards since I love that linen finish. This month the kit includes 11 dies. I'll go ahead and open the bag so you can see everything that's included. So there's 2 pieces where you could create a frame or a border. It looks like a telephone cord, like an old telephone cord. And then you also have the dies to create a poinsettia. You have the holly leaf, some branches. There's the little centerpiece of the flower. You can add the berries to the branch. I think this will be a really fun die set to use. And if you do look at the tutorial, the information card, it'll show what all of those die pieces are for. Here's a look at all the die cut pieces that are included in the kit, and there are 2 of each die cut piece. There is a huge variety of images. Most of the die cut pieces also have a little bit of that gold foil finish, and I love that. Now here's another look at Spellbinders November 2021 Joyful Christmas Card Kit. This kit is not part of the monthly subscription due to some product delays, but you can purchase it individually. I will have a link provided in the description box below. And coming very soon, I will be sharing my card video using this kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.